consisting of variety of commonly used GUI elements like buttons, menus, labels, entry areas, etc., which can be used to build the interface. Now, these elements are nothing but widgets. Now, let us see what are the widgets available in tkinter package. So, widgets are the building blocks of GUI programming and are used to display information or get input from the user. Some frequently used widgets are shown in below table. Yeah, the following table shows frequently used widgets used in tkinter package. The first one is frame. So what is its function or purpose? Used as a container to house other widgets and borders. Next one is label, to display text or images. Next one is label frame. By default, this frame displays a border and the title. Next one is button, used to call a function when clicked. Then next one is check button, used to create checkbox for toggling a value. Then radio button, used to create standard radio button. Next one is entry, used for single line text entry which can be edited. Next one is text, used for multiple line text entry which can be edited. The next one is message, used for multiple line display text that can be styled. The next one is combo bar, to do a single line text entry with a drop down select list. Next one is list box, to create multiple line select list. Next one is scroll bar, to create vertical or horizontal scroll. Next one is scale, to create a sliding scale that can be clicked and dragged with mouse. The next one is canvas, if you want to draw lines, circles, arcs, ovals and rectangles. Next one is menu, to create menu bar for the top of the window, which includes parameters like file, edit and view, etc. These are all some of the frequently used widgets available in tkinter package. In the small GUI application, a tree of widgets will be created such that each widget will have a parent widget all the way up to the root window of our application. For example, a button or a text field will be added in the containing window. There is one class which is called as widget class, has a good collection of methods for configuring the GUI's appearance. For example, if you want to set the location, content, color, layout, etc. of widget and handling various kinds of user-driven events. Once we have constructed the backbone of our GUI, we will need to customize it by integrating it with our internal application class. Here, the role of window manager, which handles windows, is a part of the operating system. So during GUI programming, we need not write the codes for closing the window. Automatically, that is managed by window manager. Now let us demonstrate various example programs on tkinter package based on the widgets, whatever we mentioned. The first example program is program to print the version of tkinter. You want to see the package tkinter, which version is available as of the current Python software you are using. So the program is simple here. First, you have to import the package tkinter using the statement import space tkinter. Then you have to print the version of tkinter. Here in print statement, you can describe within string like version of tkinter. Then you can call the object with the package tkinter dot. So the command for displaying tkinter version is tk version. Here T capital and version V capital, remaining all lowercase letters. So this statement prints the version of tkinter module. Whenever you can run this program, you will get the output as shown below. Here it is showing version of tkinter is 8.6. Yeah, let us go to the Python ideally and run the program. This is the Python ideally shell script. The version what I installed was 3.10.1. So whatever the version you are using, so first you can call this program, open this program. This program is already executed. So directly I am opening the program and running, then seeing the outputs. The program want to see the version of the tkinter software. This is the program. The program to print the version of the tkinter, whatever we demonstrated just now. See. So in the run menu, you can click on run module or click on F5. Here you will get the required output. Here you can see version of tkinter is 8.6. This is the output after running that program. So that is the first basic program to know the version of the tkinter module. Then coming to second example program. In this program displays the tkinter window. So what is actually the tkinter window? So for this, here you can see the program code is shown below. Here you have to, from tkinter package, you have to import the class tk. From tkinter, import tk. Then by using the root, you can call this tkinter. Then that can be moved to the root equal to tk. Now tk will act as a function. Then you can, with the root object, you can call the main loop, root.main loop. So this is just 3 lines code. So here you can see, here we use the object tk that was imported from tkinter module or package. Here tk is the class which is used to create the root window, that means main window of the application. Although we can create multiple windows in our application, there should be only one root in the application. Whenever you can run this program, here you can see the right side, one image is displayed here. This is GUI tkinter window. So here we use another method, main loop, root.main loop. So which is a method on the main window which is executed when we run our application. The method loops forever, waiting for events from the user until the user exits the program, either by closing the window or by terminating the program with a keyboard interrupt in the console. So earlier we have seen the window. So whenever you can close the window by clicking into or close the program until an event occurred. So that repeats that main loop. That is the use of main loop. Okay, now let us go back and run the second program. So the program 2 to display the tkinter window. So this is the code what we explained. From tkinter, import to tk, then root equal to tk, root.main loop. Just you have to run this program by clicking run module or F5. Now let us see, this is the window where we are moving. We can move that window in our screen wherever. If you want to drag it, you can increase the size also. Here you can see. Here you can see by default the name, it is showing tk. Now that icon showing here, that is the logo of tkinter. So until it repeats same, if you want to close it by clicking into or close the program. So here you can close it. Then again it comes to our regular prompt. So this is the output of this program, displaying the tkinter window. Then coming to next program. Third program to set the title of the tkinter window. So earlier you are having in the previous output just we are having tk. You want to set our own title. Let us see in this program how that will be done. So here same as usual, you can import tk from tkinter. From tkinter import tk, root equal to tk. Now by using title method, so every time you can use prefix with root dot title. So here within quotations as a string you can mention whatever the title you want. For example, here the title is object-oriented programming using Python or Python programming for every beginner. So whatever the title you want, you can enter. Then root.main loop that remains same. Now whenever you can run this program, here you can see the output. This is the window. So here earlier you are having tk, now that is changed to object-oriented programming using Python. So our customized title is displayed here. Like that you can set title of the tkinter window, whatever the title you want. Let us go back and run this program. That is the third program. So program 3, title of window. So this is the code. From tkinter import tk, root equal to tk, root dot title. Within quotations you can give whatever the title you want. For example, here I have given object-oriented programming using Python. Any title you can give, that will be displayed as the title of that window. Then root.main loop. Now you can run this program. Let us see. So here the title it is showing, it is hidden, so you can drag it if you want to see the full title. Now you can see the window size is dragged. Now here you can see object-oriented programming using Python. That root.main loop will repeat it forever until the user may close the window or close the prompt or close the program. Now here you can see if you can close it. Then again we enter into the prompt. Then coming to next program. To print the screen size. So you want to print the tkinter window size with your customized size. Here you can see the code for this. First, as usual, tk can be imported from the tkinter. From tkinter import tk, root equal to tk. So if you want to set the size of the screen, you have to mention width and height. You are defining two objects, one for width, another one for height. Screen underscore width is the object that can be taken from root dot w info underscore screen width. This is the method for setting width. Similarly, for setting height, the method is called as root dot w info underscore screen height. So screen width, screen height, these are all the default methods, inbuilt methods available in tkinter package. Now those are all defined by creating objects, screen width, screen height. Now you can print both. So print screen width, comma screen underscore width, means this calls from this. Then screen height, screen underscore height. So whenever you can run this program, the window size is customized as per this, and default width and height will be displayed here. The screen width default is 1366, then the screen default height is 768. So these are all points points. Measurement can be done in points. Okay, now so this is the default screen width and height. If you want to drag it, so you can drag as per your requirement. We will also go back and run this program. Here the fourth program, screen size. This is the program what we explained. root.w info underscore screen width, which displays the default width of the screen. Then root.w info underscore screen height, which displays the default height of the screen. So whenever you can run this program, here you can see. Here you can see this is the window. Default here you can see it's width and height. Width and height. That's a default screen width and height. So you want to drag it, you want to see, you can increase horizontally or vertically whatever the size you want. Even full screen option is also there. Whenever you can click on this, here you can see now it is full screen. So but by default the width and heights are these values. Then coming to next program to make the window full screen. Just now we have seen by clicking the maximize button, the screen converted into full screen, but in the program itself you want to display the full screen. So this is the code. From tkinter import tk class and root equal to tk by using attributes method. So root dot attributes, here within quotation hyphen full screen comma true. The value is, if you can make the full screen value as true, so it displays the full screen. Then root dot main loop remains same. So when this is the output here. Here you can see this is the full screen. You will also run and see this program. So window full screen. This is the code what we demonstrated. Now you can click on run. Here you can see this is the output, full screen it is showing. Now you have to close it, means you can close manually. So here you can see here TK, this is the full screen. Now here it didn't enter into the prompt, so if you can close this one, still it is running showing like. Now you can see it is terminated now. Now the window is terminated. So like that you can display the full screen of the window using attributes method with hyphen full screen by making the value as true. The next program, if you want to resize the window at specified location, you want to resize at your specified location. Here you can see, here also tk class is used. From tkinter import tk root equal to tk. So make window like 400 by 200 and place at position 150 in the coordinate system. So let us, these are all just sample values only. Whatever the values you want, you can give your own values. So using the geometry method, you can set these values. Root dot geometry. The values you can give it as string in the order. The first one, window size is 400 by 200 plus then the position 150 plus 150. So the first part by default is the size, then the second part the position values can be added like this. So whenever you can run this program, this is the size of the window shown here. We'll also run and check. See program 6, open program 6. Yeah, window resize. So this is the code what we demonstrated. Here 400 by 200, that is the size of the window, and the position 150 towards x and towards y axis. Now you can see, you can click by clicking run module. Here you can see, here it is. Here you can see that this is the default, whatever the size we have given, 400 by 200, then position 150 by 150. Okay, this is the window with customized size with specified locations. 150 by 150 is the location, like whatever the location coordinate system you can mention. So there is a program to resize the window at specified location. The next program to create a label as a child of the root window. Yeah, so here we will use, in addition to tk class, label class is also used. So we have to import both. If you want to import all from the tkinter, just you can use import space star dot. Then all the methods will be imported from the tkinter package. Now here label is required in addition to tk class. from tkinter import tk comma label. In label L is capital, then root equal to tk. Now by using label method, so that value can be stored into a variable, let us assume message msg equal to label of root comma text equal to, so that root we are changing with our customized text equal to within as a string format. Welcome to the course object oriented programming using Python, or welcome to the course Python programming for every beginners, whatever the title you want. So then you have to pack that message, fill that message using pack method. So with the object msg.psek, then root dot main loop remains same. Here the pack method used on each we get to position it inside its parent whenever you can run this program. So this is the output displayed. Here you can see this is the tkinter window. Here the title is labeled as welcome to the course so and so, whatever the text we have given. Let us go back and check by running this program 7. Yeah, the 7th program, create a label as child. So this is the code what we demonstrated. Here we have given welcome to the course object oriented program using Python. This is the text. This can be labeled. Now can run this program. Here you can see this is the window. So here it is customized with the size of the text, whatever the text we have given. So it is filled with exact size. Welcome to the course object oriented program using Python. So if you want to drag this one, here you can see you can drag. But by default, whatever the size of the text, the window is resized according to the size of the text we have given. Like that you can create a label. The next program, if you want to change the font of the text, so by default along with Python software, whatever the font selected, so your text is displayed in that font. So you want to change the font of the text with our convenient, with our customized font. So let us see. For this, here another method we have to use message along with the tk message that can be imported from the tkinter package. From tkinter import tk comma message, a root equal to tk. Now msg equal to, using the message method, message of root comma text equal to. Label also similar, label of root comma text equal to, but there only that label only displayed, you can't change the font. So now here message equal to message of root comma text equal to, so whatever the text, suppose here welcome to the object oriented program using Python. Now using configure method from the object message whatever we created, that is msg dot config, this is configure method. Here you can mention whatever the font you want. So here I have given font equal to Arial black, size I have given 24, then italic bold and underline also I have given. So whichever you want, so you can change the font, your customized font. You can give your size, whatever the size of the text you want, whether you want italic bold or only italic or only bold or only underline, whatever. Here I have given all three, italic space bold space underline. Whichever you don't want, you can remove it. Then using the pack method, again you have to use this msg.pack, then root.main loop. So whenever you can run this program, see this is the window along with the output. Here I have given the text as welcome to the course so and so. Here the style what I have given, the font is Arial block, then I have given italic, then I have given bold, and I have given underline. See, all the options are applied to this text, whatever the text we have given. Lively go back and run this program, program 8. So the 8th program, change of font of text. So this is the code using message method. Here first we are giving the text, then using configure method, here we are giving what is the font. So using
the object font equal to, within single quotations you can give the font name Arial block I have given, then size without quotation directly you can give the value, then remaining you can give italic, bold, underline, etc. message dot pack, then root dot main loop. I can run and check. Here you can see the window is also customized along with the size of the text. So if you want, you can drag and increase the size of the window vertically or diagonally, whichever you want. Here you can see. So this is the text. The font is Arial block. Then the style is italic, bold, underline. All the options are there.
The next program is program to display two labels with a different colored background. This program shows two labels with different colored backgrounds. So here for this, along with label, so here the side also, left or right, then coordinate X or Y. So here Y and right, two extra methods are importing from tkinter import tk comma label comma y comma right, then root equal to tk. Now for everyone you can create different objects with different. Why? Because here two labels we are creating for label 1, label 2, like that you can define. First label 1 object equal to, using the method label of root comma text equal to. So here you can mention whatever the text. For example, here welcome to the course. Now you can set the background comma background equal to whatever the color you want. Here you can mention name of the color within quotations as a string. Then another label I am creating with the object label 2 equal to label of root comma text equal to. Here the text is I am giving the continuation of the previous text, object oriented programming using Python. Now here the background color I am giving as yellow, background equal to yellow. Now we have to pack both the labels 1 and 2 using the pack method. Label 1 dot pack off fill equal to y towards the y axis. Next another one is pad x equal to 10, then ipad y equal to 25, then side equal to whether you want to left side or right side. Here we have given right. Similarly, label 2 dot pack of fill equal to y, pad x equal to 20, ipad y equal to 40, side equal to right. Then root dot main loop. Now we will see about what are all these. These are all various options for filling. Here you can see, here we use label. Label is a static element which does not do anything by default except displaying some information. Whatever the information inside the label we are giving, that information is displayed. That is the purpose of label. Some of the packing options used in the previous. First we used here fill. So we get expands to take up any extra space like either x or y or both. Then pad x, pad y. We used these methods. What is the purpose of this? This is for outer padding towards x direction or y direction. You want to pad outer side, so you can use pad x or pad y, outer padding. Then for inner padding we are having ipad x or ipad y towards x direction or y direction. You want to do padding inside, you can use these methods. That is for inner padding. Then we used side, which side to stack from. By default is top to bottom, it continues. So here we have given right, you want to left or without giving also by default top it proceeds towards to bottom. These are all the some of the packing options. So in this program we used here we used pad x, then ipad y, then side we used right, then fill we use y. After running this program, this is the output you are going to get. Here two different labels with different backgrounds. So we created the first one as welcome to the course.
So we have given right. So first it is placed in the right side. So then the background color is green we have given. Then next label, the text is object-oriented programming using Python. Then the color of the background we have given is yellow. So this is the output. Now let us go back and run and check the output. So here the program number is 9. So here label with background color. So this is the program what we explained. Now you can click on run, then run module, or click F5. Now we can see this is the output. So by default the window size, so that is fitted with the text, whatever the labels we have given. Label 1, welcome to the course. Label 2, object-oriented programming using Python. You want to increase the size of this window, you can drag it either vertically or horizontally. This will be dragged. So diagonally if you can drag. So two different labels with different background colors. So manual if you want you can close. So then after closing again it come back to our prompt. Yeah, the next program. So if you want to display one image which is available in your local system in the specified path using this tkinter package. So here you have to import another method in addition to tk label, photo image. This photo image use it to read the image which can be stored in our system. So from tkinter import tk comma label comma photo image. P and I are capital in photo image is a single word. Then root equal to tk. Now you can open that image by using photo image that can be stored into an object. Suppose img is the object equal to photo image of file equal to. Simply you can give the file name with JPEG or PNG, whatever that file name dot extension you have to give within quotation. By using the file method, default it opens. So even if you want to specify the path also, here C:/ desktop etc. If it is in some other location, not in your working directory, you can view the path. Here I moved this image to my current working directory, that's why here path is not required. So if your image is in another location, you can view your working directory path here, or you can move that image to your working directory. Now here with this file option, it reads the image by default read option. Then here I am providing label for that using the label method, using another object img equal to label of root comma. So I am using that image equal to img. Then here you can use the pack method. Here capital img is the new object for routing. So here img.pack, then root.main loop. Whenever you can run this program, that image with the default window size is displayed here. Here you can see this is the image I have used. So the image name, whatever I have given, this is the image. Actually, this is one of the course homepage design. So here tk, so this is the image displayed here. Whatever the image file name you can give. If it is png, give .png. If it is a jpeg, give .jpg. Now let us run this program. Its title is 10. Display an image. This is the code what we demonstrated. Now you can click on run module. Now here you can see this is the, you can move this image whichever you want. So this is the image displayed. So even if you want larger size, so this is the image. Like that you can display your own image using photo image method in tkinter package. Coming to the next program, which displays two buttons and print a message when a button is clicked. So here, like in our tkinter window, create two buttons. You can print a message when a button is clicked. So the source code for this is, so here you have to import the method button from the tkinter package. From tkinter, import tk comma button, root equal to tk. So here you can create one exit window. It will close the GUI window when clicked. Whenever you can click on this, so the GUI window is closed. So here exit button is the object that can be taken from the class button or method. Exit button equal to button of root comma text equal to whatever the button name you want to give. So here we are giving exit program, or simply exit also, whatever you want. Now the command to work this one, command equal to root dot destroy. For closing, you can use destroy method. Then you can pack this one, exit button dot pack. This is for creating exit window button. The next one, to write a message on the screen and not on GUI window. In the console window, you want to print the message by clicking that button. So here you can define one method, then as usual normal defining our functions. So here def, so here I am giving my underscore callback is the method name. So print, so you click the message button. So by clicking that button in tkinter window, then that message will be displayed. That message, whatever the message you want, you can include in the print statement. Here I have given, you clicked the message button. Then that message button creating one object, message underscore button equal to by using the previous button method, button of root comma text equal to. So here for this, give the button name, click here, command equal to, then it calls this method, my callback. Whenever you can click this button named as click here, so then the respective method is called and the respective information is displayed. Again you have to pack this one, message underscore button dot pack, then root dot main loop, as usual for every program that is common. Whenever you can run this program, here you can see, so if you can click on exit button, your window is, GUI window is closed. Whenever you can click on the second button or second button whatever we created, click here. So in the click here, we used the method my callback. In that what information you have given, you clicked the message button, that will be displayed here. Here two options are there. Two buttons are created. One which closes the GUI window, another one which prints the information by an event is occurred. Now go back and run this program, the 11th program. Display buttons with two purposes. This is the code what we explain. The first one is exit window, which closes the GUI window when it clicks. The second one to write a message on the screen, not on the GUI window, in our console or in our Python tool, whatever the tool we are using. Now run this program and check the output. So this is the window. You can move this one. It is not moving, no problem. Yeah. If you want, you can increase the size also. Now here two options are there. Whenever you can click on exit program, the GUI window is closed. Let us check first one. Now I clicked exit. So the GUI window is closed. Now you entered into prompt, nothing will be displayed, just the GUI window is closed. Now you want to check the other button, again you can rerun the program. Now the program is, second time it is executed. Now can move to our convenient place. Now the second button we will see by clicking the second button, click here. So what you will get here we have printed one message, you pressed the button, like here you can see, you clicked the message button. So after clicking this message is displayed in our console window, not in the GUI window. Now again you can close it. After closing, again it comes to our normal prompt. So like that two buttons are created, one prints a message and another one exits the GUI window. The next program to print a color text on a color background of GUI window. So here earlier we have seen two labels with different background printing text, but their text color is not mentioned. Same with a different background and text also with a different color. Both will be applied to this in this program that was demonstrated. Here tk label, two methods are enough. From tkinter import tk comma label, root equal to tk, label 1 equal to label of root comma text equal to whatever the text here you can mention. Welcome to the course object oriented program using Python. So whatever the course name. Then you can pack this label 1 dot pack. Then you can configure it by setting the color, background, etc. Label 1 dot configure here foreground. So earlier you have used background. Now for text color you use the method foreground. Foreground equal to, here I have given yellow, comma background equal to green. Now foreground, the text, whatever the text we have given, the foreground color is applicable to the text. Whatever the background color we have given, that is the background window. So here foreground equal to yellow, comma background equal to green, comma text equal to, now Python current version is so and so, release date. This is another text. Then root dot main loop. Here we have taken two different texts. Now let us see what will happen after running this program. Here you can see in the first what we have given, Python current version is so and so, release date. Here you can see the text color is yellow foreground, then the background color is green. Here you can see. So printed a colored text on a colored background. The background color is green, then the color text is, what is the color text? Yellow. Like that. Now let us demonstrate this program. The 12th program. Here you can see. You can click on run. Yeah, here you can, this is the window. If you want, you can increase the size. So this is the output. So background color is one, then text color is one. So the color is applied for both background and foreground. Now let us see the next program. The next program is to display a menu on the menu bar. Now till now we have created one button, labels, etc. with colors, displaying image. Then how to create a menu bar, and in that menu bar sub menus. So for this there is one method in tkinter package menu. From tkinter import tk comma menu. Here root equal to tk. First we have to create main menu bar. So using menu with root. Root is the main class. So menu underscore bar equal to menu of root. Now create the submenu. So here we will use the one of the method tear off, which denotes the menu can pop out. So to create pop out option, so we have to use this one, tear off. This is available in tkinter package. Now file menu equal to menu of menu underscore bar from root to comma tear off. By default you can give it as 0. Then here you have to add commands to submenu. So that means the names and the working functionality. So first I am adding from file menu dot add underscore command label I am giving as stop. So this command, whenever you can click this, it closes the window. For stop, root dot destroy only you can use. Earlier we used it. So command equal to root dot destroy. So alternate to stop with other names also there. I am using kill. So file menu dot add underscore command label equal to kill is the second submenu. Again its functionality is destroy only I am giving. Command equal to root dot destroy. Then another one exit I am giving. file menu dot add underscore command label equal to exit, command equal to root dot destroy. See, all the three submenus, the functionality is same. Destroy means closes. If you want other options, you can give in place of destroy other methods. Now add the file drop down submenu in the main menu bar. So for this, the method is called as cascade method. Menu underscore bar dot add underscore cascade label equal to file. In that file, so what is the submenu? So earlier we used, so menu equal to file menu. Then you have to configure this one, root dot configure menu equal to menu underscore bar, then root dot main loop. So your first one, main menu is created, then submenu is created, and the submenu top pop-up option is given. Then in the submenu we have given stop, kill, exit, three labels we have given. Their functionality, destroy means closing. Now whenever you can run this program, see, this is the output you are going to see. So first you are having file is the main menu. Whenever you can click on file, so in the pop-up, this is the pop-up window using the tier off. So here three labels we created, three submenus. One is stop, another one kill, and next one is exit. If you can click on stop, it closes. If you can click on kill, it closes. If you click on exit, it closes. All these three, the functionality is same, only we have given for just demo purpose. Now let us run this program, see the all the options. The program number is 13th program. Menu bar. This is the code what we explained. Now click on run module. Yeah, this is the window displayed. If you want, you can maximize it. So by default, file is the main menu. So you want to see the pop-up of file, you can click on file. Here you can see three options what we created: stop, kill, exit. If you can click on stop, it terminates, it closes the window. Now I will use another option. So next time I will use kill. Now I am pressing the menu kill. Again, see, it closes the GUI window. Next, last one, exit. So here click on exit. So again the GUI window is closed. So all the three menus we have given the same functionality, that is close means destroy. The next program, so that has an entry box in which the message entered by user is printed on the ideally screen. So in tkinter window, one text box type box is created. Then there is one button. Whenever you can type the text, then you can click the button. Whatever the message you typed, that message is displayed on the ideally screen, not on GUI window. For this, so here some more new methods are required. Those can be imported from the tkinter package. One is entry, then another one is insert. Button tk we already used previously. From tkinter import tk, comma entry, comma button, comma insert. Insert all uppercase letters. Then root equal to tk. First create an entry box using the method entry. So create one object for these small letters. Entry equal to, in entry capital, entry of root. Then you can pack it using the pack method, entry.pack. Then print the contents of the entry box in our console of ideally. So you can define one method like previous programs we used one method, my callback, similar to that. Define def print message, print entry.get. Again by using the get method, whatever the message that will be displayed. Then you have to create a button that when clicked will print the contents of the entry box. So using the button method, create object for the button. So button equal to button in this B is capital, button of root comma text, whatever the text you want. So first we are giving the name of the button, text equal to print content, command equal to print message. So if you can use command equal to destroy, then root.destroy, so it closes the GUI window. But here we are printing, for that the method is print message. Now you can pack this button.pack, then root.main loop. Now whenever you can run this program, this is the output. Here it is showing one empty text box, then one button. In the button, the label is given by us is print content. Whenever you can, first you can type the text in the text box of tkinter window, then you can click on print content. That message is printed on our IDL console. This is the output you will get. Let us run this program and check the output lively. The program number is 14th one. Entry box. This is the code what we explained. Now run this program. Now you can see, you can maximize this one. Here you can see, here text box is there and one button is there. In the text box, whatever you want, you can type. So I am typing, welcome to the course Python. Just simply. Now whenever you can click on this print content button, this text will be displayed in our IDL prompt. Now you can say I am clicking print content. Here you can see. Here in our console it is displayed, welcome to the course Python. Here you can see, welcome to the course Python. We entered by clicking this. So if you want multiple times to display the same text, you can click, see print content, print content. By every click it displays. You want to change the text also. Another text you want, so current version is 3.10.6. Then again you can click on print. See the new information, new text is printed. You want multiple times, you can click like that. So this is the output. Then coming to next program, to display the text on the console when a label is pressed. So like earlier, previously also, we entered the text lively in the text box of the tkinter window by clicking the button, then the text is displayed in our console. Similar to that, here in our program you can use some text by clicking the label on tkinter window. Whatever the text you have given in our program, that will be displayed. But previous program lively we are entering the text and by clicking the button the text is displayed. So here label is required. Now import tkinter import tk comma label, root equal to tk, label 1 equal to label of root comma text equal to. So message printing label, this is the button name actually, message printing label. Then you can pack it, label dot pack. Now what is the text you want to display? Again that you can give in our program itself. Here using def one method and for example my underscore callback. Now this is the information displayed in our console without directly it won't display in our program. By clicking the button in the tkinter window, then only this information will be displayed in our console. The message is like GUI program with tkinter package in Python. So then bind the left mouse button. So click on the label. So here in the mouse button, whatever the button you want, by clicking left mouse or right mouse, that you have to define. Here we are using by default binding the left mouse button. So label dot bind of button 1 comma, here using lambda function, lambda on object e colon my underscore callback. So by clicking the left mouse button, it calls the my callback method. In the my callback method, whatever the print message, that message is displayed in our console. Then at the ended with root.main root. Now see, whenever you can run this program, here you can see it is showing message printing label or button. Just by clicking this button or label in the program, whatever the information you have given in the callback method, that information is printed in our console. Yeah, go back and run this program. Program number is 15. Display text on console by clicking the label. Now see, this is the code what we explained. Now click on this. Here you can see this is the, you can move this one, move to here it is, move to your window, move. Okay, if you want, you can increase the size. Now here nothing is the default tkinter window with the label, the button message printing label. By clicking this, in the print statement in my callback method, what we have given, welcome to GUI programming with. See, that message is displayed here. Now by closing this, it will come to our prompt normally. So that is the output. Then coming to next program to display a pop-up dialog box. Like in menu we have seen pop-up sub-menu, like pop-up dialog box you want to display. So here for this we can import message box from tkinter. Import message box. Your title equal to, suppose here student end semester feedback, the title. Text equal to, suppose here I am giving the text, the overall quality of teaching learning process in our institute is very good, do you agree? So like yes or no, here two options are there. So reply equal to message box dot ask question, title comma text. Title means student and semester feedback comma text. This is the text you have given. So if you can click on agree, yes. If reply equal to yes, some information is printed. Congratulations for choosing our institute. Else, if reply is no, that means you are not agreeing. So maybe some improvement in the next year onwards, more efforts for improving teaching learning process, like that. So two inputs are there. If you can click on yes, first information is displayed. You can click on no, else what is displayed. Now you can see this is the output. So the overall quality of the teaching learning process in our institute is very good. Do you agree? So the heading is see title student end semester feedback. Now the information text whatever we have given. If you can click on yes, congratulations for choosing. The yes part print statement will be displayed. If you can click on no, the no part, the else part information is displayed. Go back and check the output. The program number is 6. The 16th program. Yeah, this is the code what we demonstrated. Now run this program. So this is the window we are seeing here. So if we can click on yes, in the if condition, true part, congratulations for choosing our institute by clicking yes. If you can click on no, second time I am running, now clicking no. In the else part, whatever, next year onwards more efforts for improving teaching learning, like this. This is the output. The next program is program to create a top level window which will be closed when the button is clicked. That means here two already by default tkinter window, then one more window is being created which will be closed when button is clicked. So here for that one new method top level can be imported from the tkinter package. From tkinter import tk comma top level comma button root equal to tk. Now create a new top level window by creating one object top underscore level underscore window equal to the method is top level, then top underscore level underscore window dot title. You are providing title to this window. The title is top level window. You can label it as a text. Then you can see by running this program you will get simply solid by default tkinter window is displayed. Then here we have a button with the label close top level window. This is like sub window. By clicking this will be closed. Let us see the output. The program is 17th program. So this is the code what we demonstrated. So from tkinter import tk comma top level comma button root equal to tk, then top level window equal to top level. Then we are providing label for this top level window dot title top level window. Then you have to destroy the top level window. We are defining one customized method def destroy top level window. then you are calling that top level window dot destroy. It's the object using the destroy method. Then by using the close button equal to button of root, text equal to close top level window, then command equal to destroy top level window. Then we can pack it, close button dot pack, then root dot main loop. So here this is the code for closing that top level window. Now if you can run and see the output, here you can see two windows you are seeing. So one is inside, here close the top level with the label, then first one, this one. So if you want you can drag this one. Yeah, the old one also can move wherever you want. It is, yeah. Now you can see here two separate windows. This is the top level main one, bigger one. Now this is the, default one. This is another one, whatever you created, top level window. So now you want to close this one, click this button. We have written the code for the destroy, like exit, stop, or whatever, the same code for destroy. So now I'm clicking close top level window. The main window is closed. Now this remains same. The other window default same. So you can, if you want to close this one also, manually you can close by clicking this one. Now it comes to our regular prompt. So like that, one main window, then another sub window. So by clicking one button, that can be closed, the top level window. Then coming to next program, the program to put focus on top level window. So again using the top level, so you have to import from tkinter. From tkinter import tk comma top level. A root equal to tk, then top level window equal to top level. Then top level window dot title, you are giving new top level window. Whatever the title if you want you can give. Now key focus on window. So using the method focus underscore force. Top level window dot focus underscore force. Then root dot main loop. So then here you can see, here this is the output displayed. Here two windows. So our focus is on top level window. This is a new top level window. This is the output you will get here. Now let us run and check. Program number 18. This is the code what we explained. While clicking run, here you can see two different windows are there. You want to see the names, so you can click on drag whichever you want. So this is the default tkinter window. Now see, we have focused on this one. So this is another one, new top level window. Now both windows will be displayed. Here we did not mention any close button. So if you want to close whichever you want to close, you can click on close. So one is closed, so then automatically the other one is also closed. Suppose you can click on the first one to close, next time again you can rerun. Here you can see, earlier you closed this one default, now new one, new top level one, you can close it, but the default one remains same. If you can click default one to close, then both will be closed. Then new level is separate, that is independent. If you can close new level, the default one remains same, it won't close, you have to close it. Then coming to next program, if you want to draw a colored shape on canvas. So earlier we mentioned in Widgets, canvas is also there. So using canvas, so you want to draw a particular shape and fill colors, whichever color you want. In this program, we will see that. So here we have to import canvas method from tkinter. From tkinter, import tk, comma canvas, root equal to tk, then canvas equal to canvas of root, comma width. You have to specify width and height of that canvas. Width equal to, for example, 250 points, height equal to 200 points. Then you have to pack this canvas dot pack. Now, for drawing, what are the shape you want, you have to use the methods. So first, drawing a dashed line with some color, suppose orange color. So using the canvas object, canvas dot. So for line, method is create underscore line. Now you can provide the values by default 0, 0. Then the pixels we have given 250, 250. Then fill equal to orange. Here with the dash line, dash equal to, so the line dimensionality, so 5, 15. Then you want to draw a rectangle at particular position range with different colors. Suppose that can be filled with yellow. So with 100 by 50, position to 150 to 60 in this dimensionality. Now canvas dot create underscore rectangle. Now the dimensionality 100, 50 first position, second position 150, 60. Fill equal to yellow. Then another shape oval you want to draw from 30, 30 position to 50 to 50. Now canvas dot create underscore oval. The dimensionality 30, 30 start position, end position 50 to 50, 50, 50. Fill equal to green. Now, so three shapes we have used here. Different methods. For every method, create underscore line for drawing line, create underscore rectangle for drawing rectangle, create underscore oval for drawing oval. For all these shapes, the method create is required. Underscore the name of the shape. Now, if you can run this program, let us see. This is the output you are going to get. First, here in the canvas size you fixed, we have drawn a dashed line with orange color, this one. Then one rectangle with so and so positions filled with yellow color. Then one oval with so and so dimensions filled with green color. This is the output you will get here. Now let us run this program lively and check the output. Yeah, this is the 19th program. So this is the code what we demonstrated. Yeah, three shapes are drawn. Dashed line is one with orange color, yellow rectangle, then oval with green color. Now let us run this program. Here default all the three shapes displayed at a time. This is the window. If you want, you can increase the size and check clearly. Here you can see. So this is the dashed line with the color is orange color. The next one is rectangle with filled color is yellow. Then oval with filled color is green. If you want larger size also, you can change the pixels. Whatever the pixels we have given in our program, you can change for larger sizes. So this is the output. Hope you understand about the GUI programming with tkinter package by demonstrating these 19 example programs. With this knowledge later, you can improve further with other methods which are available in tkinter packages, and with this knowledge you can practice other packages also which are available in Python in addition to tkinter. Hope you enjoyed this session with all this program demonstration. In upcoming lectures, we will come up with other interesting topics. Till then, all of you, stay tuned for latest updates.